Guys, as you know, my name is John Mary, and I'm a forex trader, swing trader to be precise. And in this week video, we'll be talking about a recap of last week prediction and seeing how we can analyze the financial market, other pairs to see what opportunities for us to enter the market and to educate ourselves. So, welcome to my channel. Do well to stay put to the end of this video because it's gonna be an educative one. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So what I have today for you guys, I have different pairs which I'll be analyzing and also do a recap of last week projection, price projection. So last week we projected Euro GPB. Okay, sorry, let's gonna leave it here. Okay. Last week we projected Euro GPB and we saw as we analyzed the price rejected on this level came back to reject, and now this is a strong demand demand zone. You see market rejected it, and let's clearly see this on the 4 hour time frame. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, you can see on the 4 hour time frame where we plotted this key level, and I said if the market breaks and retest this level, we should be looking for buying pull pressure because the market is bullish as we have said, and we're looking out to take our first tip around this level. So just gonna do this. So the market did break above this level, came to retest it, and then we're in. So your GPP trade triggered, and we're in. So on NZUSD and NZUSD, NZUSD, sorry. This okay. So on NZUSD, we projected for a bearish momentum for price. Sorry. Looking at to this, you can see price respected this level, came traded below it, touched below this countdown trend line, and then went above it. And now it has respected this strong trend line on the daily chart with multiple rejections on the 4 hour time frame. So this is giving us a clue that there's much more selling pressure around this region on NZUSD, which is gonna make the market react. Then we'll be looking to sell around this region or after a break and retest below this level. Yeah. So on NZUSD, our, our bias is still bearish as we can see on the chart. Price is giving us bearish formation, and we should trade according to the trend of the market. So on NZUSD, we're still bearish. We're still bearish on NZUSD. And US 30, just move over to US 30. Oh, okay. On US 30, which we analyzed last on our previous video, you can see US 30 did go well as predicted. As I clearly said that US 30 was giving us a rising wedge, so it came formed around this region, and then a break, a clear retest, and then poof to the upside. You see, it hit our TP and continued going further up to the upside. So US 30 trade went according to our prediction. So that's that for US 30. US 30. Um, looking out for USD CHF, USD CHF. Sorry, USD CHF, USD CHF. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the daily time frame and let's see it clearly. Okay, sorry, let's go ahead and delete this. Okay, on USD CHF, as we all analyzed last week, I was expecting price to come and give us a retest right about this region. Yeah, around this region, but price never got to that level, but rather it came and rejected around here. It came and rejected around here and then continue further to the downside. So looking at USD CHF, we might see price coming down to this level, giving us kind of like a double bottom, but we don't know yet until price gets to that level. So we should keep an eye on USD CHF to see if price gives us a double bottom um clear pattern. We should be looking to go long. Otherwise, once we break below this bar, we break below this level, we should be looking for sales on USD CHF. Price might come give us a correction around this level, giving us the second leg, because this is the first leg, and it might come here and give us a second leg to the upside. But if it doesn't, then we should see price break below this bar to give us a clear break and a retest to the downside, something like this. Yeah, something like this. It was a clear break and retest to the downside if the right leg wasn't formed. So that's that for USD CHF. We don't know the price projection for USD CHF for now, if it's gonna be bullish or bearish. But when price gets to this level, then we should know the outcome by what? By the patterns formed around this region should give us a direction. to the next move of USD CHF. So that's that for USD CHF. It's still looking very much bearish for now with some correction around this region. We're still looking down to tap in around this region for a long or break below this region for sure. Looking out to AUD. Let's look out for AUD. Okay, so AUD as analyzed on the previous video. AUD we said was bearish, but um you can see price came. We expected this trend line as we spoke, came back down to touch this counter trend line, then poof, to the upside. We don't really know what's gonna happen next. If price is gonna come down and trade down back below this trend line, or price has changed its trend to the upside, or the trend is about to change. We don't really know if this is gonna be kind of like a stop hunt around this region. We can't clearly describe the outcome, but our selling bias will still be if price comes back to trade below this trend line. If price comes back to trade below this trend line, this counter trend line around this region, we'll look for a break and a retest, then to see um to trade. But for now, you can't really tell what ADSZ is about to do right now. There's a whole lot of consolidation around this region. We don't know what's is gonna be the outcome or the next move, but we just hope it comes back down to give us a clear break of this counter trend line, and then we look for a retest, and then we take it down. This might be a stop hunt, who knows, or a price change of trend. So that's that for ADSD. My bias is still bearish on ADSD. If price breaks this black bar around here, if price breaks this bar, we'll see clear retest, then we'd enter again on ADSD. Price is still bearish on ADSD. If we break below the bar. So going down to today's analysis, we'll be analyzing AD card, AUD card, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. So guys, I'm looking at on AUD card. You can clearly see, let's go to the weekly time frame. Looking on AUD card, you can see price has been trading bearish, 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 and now you can see uh, this is a left leg correction, and this is a right leg one, and you can see price retraced above. This is like giving us lower low, lower high, equal highs, came back down, give us an equal low, came back, and is trading uh like will I say kind of like a higher low. Yeah. So with my Fibonacci retracement and everything, I saw price was gonna respect this line, this trend line, because it is a strong one around this region. And price really did respect the trend line. And now you can see multiple rejections around this level, telling us that yes, there's much selling pressure around this level. There are much selling pressure. There's much selling pressure. So if we move over to 4 hour time frame, what can we see? We can see price has been consolidating, consolidating, rejecting, and rejecting. This is to tell us that price is about to drop, is about to drop, but there's no momentum to take it down. But we expect price to break below this white bar, give us a retest, break, retest, and then continue to the downside. So for AED card, we're still bearish on AED card at the time being. AED card, we're looking out for a bearish move on AED card. According to our higher time frame analysis and the market, the overall trend of the market. So AED card is still bearish. So looking out for NZUSD. NZUSD, we did a pre-analysis on NZUSD last week. Sorry, NZUSD. I think we've talked about NZUSD. So let's go over to USD. Okay, so on USD, so guys, I did my pre-analysis and I saw my top-down analysis and I saw USD was gonna be bearish, but I was unable to take the trade. So, but you can see USD, USD ZA, that's the dollar against South African rands. You can see price give us what, a double top, around this region. Break. I was expecting a retest, but it never gave us a retest. The momentum was too much that it just went down, give us multiple bearish candles, and then hit this level. But we still have a chance to enter this market. What are the chances of entering this market? The chances of entering this market is we're looking out for price to see a clear break of this trend line. This is a very strong one. The market has retested it. I think for the third time, this is a retest. Okay, a retest. So, what are our expectations on USD? We are looking for the market to come and break below this trend line, give us a clear retest before taking it to the downside, because you can see price has given us more bearish momentum than it was after giving us so many consolidation, 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 and now gave us a very um, great bearish move. So we're looking out for price to come down, break below this trend line, come to retest it, then you're going for the sell. And TP is just gonna be about here at 17.50009. This should be about this should be about I think should it be 60 something. That's over 60 pips or so. Yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm right, but we're expecting the market to break price, giving us a break of this trend line, come to retest it, and then we we ride. This is what we're expecting. A clear break, retest, then we ride down to this level. So for USD we're looking for selling, we're looking out for selling selling bias. Our bias is bearish on USD. USD is bearish. Looking at BTC USD, BTC, BTC, BTC. Sorry. Okay. Looking at BTC USD, we can clearly see BTC has been trending in a bullish run for past months now. You can see the great bullish run around in BTC USD, and this might give us a kind of retracement on BTC USD. This is going to give us retracement on BTC USD because of the the bullish run. There must be a retest, kind of rejection before it heads high. On BTC USD, let's see trading around this bar. We don't really know what the outcome would be, but we're expecting BTC to come drop below this region, and then we might be looking to go long on BTC USD, or we might break above this bar and looking for bullish momentum somehow like this. But this will be based on technical analysis being made on BTC USD and seeing how the trend of the market flows on BTC USD. So those are my predictions for BTC USD, and I don't clearly know if I have other trade pairs to analyze. Okay, GBP USD has been an incredible pair. Yeah, the GBP USD has just been so fluctuating around. We don't know. I don't really know what's happening to GBP USD, but for me, I see price is just consolidating around this region. We don't really know the next move. If it's about to break retest and then push to the upside, or this kind obviously cannot be like a stop hunt. We don't really know. But we're just still watching now on GBP no trade alert, no trade price projection on GBP at the moment. Looking at US dollar against Mexican pesos, you can see the analyzing the forex market in the higher time frame gives you more hedge to understanding the real flow of the market. It's gonna guide you and help you as a trader, because when you look to the higher time frame and you analyze from the higher time frame, it's gonna give you more confidence to knowing the overall trend of the market and trading it in the direction on the lower time frame. So using the higher time frame to analyze on any pair, any financial market gives you more hedge to understanding the real flow of the market, because it's gonna help improve your your it's gonna help improve you in doing your technicals and not just looking at the lower time frame. When you see a double top, you think the market wants to head south. No, it is the higher time frame that controls the lower time frame. No matter the moves being made in the lower time frame, price is still gonna move in the direction of the higher time frame. The market is still gonna respect the predictions on the higher time frame more than it will do in the lower time frame, because it is how money flows. That is how it's gonna be. So USD US dollar against the Mexican peso is still bearish. Price has been bearish, but we don't really know the outcome of price right now because it is still trading bearish. It is either we see a second right leg around here to the upside, or we see a clear break in a continuation to the downside. So guys, I really thank you for watching and staying to the end of this video. This is a weekly recap and top-down analysis on the financial market and how we can see opportunities to trade in the market and understanding the overall flow of the market from the higher time frame, and then sliding down to lower time frame to trade according to the direction of the higher time frame. With this, we can have an edge in the market and see how the big banks trade, and we trade also in the direction of the higher time frame. So if this video was educative, please do well to like and do well to like and can also subscribe to my channel for more weekly recap and analysis. We'll be doing more weekly analysis in the financial market. So my name remain John Mary. Thank you for watching. Have a great week ahead. Have a great week. Have a great week. Have a great trading week. Do well to trade your plan your trade, and trade your plan. Do well to trade your plan as always. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.